To access the Holos repository on GitHub, go to your web browser and type in github.com/holos-aafc/holos. To access the discussion board, click on the Discussion tab. To create a new discussion, click on the green New Discussion button. From here, we can start a discussion on various aspects of Holos, such as the algorithm document and ideas for new features. Another way to make feature requests is through the Issues tab. To create a new issue, click the green New Issue button. As you can see, we can make feature requests here as well. Another useful part of the Issues tab is the Bug Report option. From here, GitHub will prompt you to add a title to your bug report, as well as contact details. GitHub will also guide you through supplying all the necessary components of a proper bug report. The most important components are the expected behavior, actual behavior of the program, and the steps to reproduce the bug.